Unlimited AI videos for free? Yeah, I didn't believe it either. But today, I found a website that lets you use Seedance 2 without paying for expensive credits. And honestly, this might be one of the craziest AI tools I've tested this year. Most AI video generators charge you after just a few renders, but this site feels almost unlimited. So let me show you exactly how it works. First, go to voaifree.com and open the Seedance 2 page. The best part? You don't even need to sign up. Just type your prompt here. For example, a cinematic cyberpunk city at night, neon lights, rain, dramatic camera movement, ultra-realistic. Then click Generate, and after a few seconds, boom, you get a cinematic AI video that actually looks insanely good. What surprised me the most is the motion quality. The camera movement feels smooth, the lighting looks realistic, and the scenes actually feel alive. Now, here's a secret most beginners don't know. Your prompt is everything. If you type "man walking," your result will look boring. But if you type "cinematic close-up of a mysterious man walking through rainy Tokyo streets, neon reflections, dramatic lighting, film look," your video becomes way better. So always add lighting, camera movement, atmosphere, and cinematic details. You can use this tool for YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, AI movies, trailers, ads, or even faceless YouTube channels. And since it's free, you can experiment as much as you want. Honestly, AI video generation is getting scary good. Anyway, if this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more AI tools, and I'll see you in the next one.